girls, it's welcome to the Pretty Girls Club. If you know it, hit the subscribe button. If you're not, hey girl, hey. I am the owner of Pretty Girl Bangles and Accessories LLC.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different.
So you clicked on this video because you read the title, I'm assuming, right? Did you read the title? Yes. So you have read it correctly. Stop emailing your customers because they are not looking at emails anymore. Start texting your customers. Yes, texting your customers. So I'm going to talk to you all about my personal experience with text message marketing versus email marketing. Again, guys, this is just my personal experience and my personal advice as we move into the year 2023. 2020 is almost over. We literally have about 3 months left in the year, and it is officially almost a new year. And as you all know, we are moving more and more and more to the digital space every single day. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to explain what is email marketing and then what is text message marketing, and then we're going to go into my personal experience. So email marketing is exactly what it says, emails. We collect emails tons and tons of ways as a small business. We collect emails to say, submit your email for a 10% off code, submit your email for a free shipping code, anything like that. You collect customers' emails, whether you have Shopify, Wix, Big Cartel, GoDaddy, Etsy, eBay. You are collecting your customers' emails as they sign up, as they place orders, as they subscribe to your email list. So for me, I have Shopify, and we have this thing called Shopify email. Shopify allows us to send nearly, I think, 20,000 emails for free. Yes, 20,000 emails for free every month. I personally think that that is a true luxury, but the downside to that is for my customers and my target audience, which is about teenager to about college student, they do not really check their emails, especially my high school students, not high school students, my high school girls. They rarely check their email unless they're just checking to check their tracking. But for the most part, for me and my customer base, email do not work. Now, obviously, if you have a target audience who is a bit older, more mature, who check their email regularly on a regular basis for news and job listings and things like that, of course, email marketing will be the way for you to go. So I will definitely go off on a tangent and say text message versus email works differently based on your target audience. So first, you definitely have to examine your target audience and examine their habits. Are they more of the email generation or are they the text generation? For the most part nowadays, everyone is more so of the text message generation opposed to the email generation. So Shopify allows you to send free emails. They have templates. I want to probably include some screen records as well. They have templates and things like that that you can use. They have tons of different benefits and perks for using email. But the issue is a lot of people are not opening their emails, which is why I personally love text message marketing. So now we're going to talk about text message marketing a little bit. For me, I have Shopify as stated previously, and I use the Shopify app called Postscript Marketing. I personally love Postscript Marketing, but with any other text message based app, you have to pay per text message. So for example, the bigger your text message group is, the more expensive it's going to get. So that is a downside to text message marketing versus email marketing. Most website hosts offer a free email marketing service, but they do not offer a free text message service. So just also take that into consideration. Text messages are usually way more expensive to send out, but they are way more effective than email marketing nowadays. So for example, for me, right now, my text message group is about 5,000 subscribers. So I have about 5,000 people and girls who have signed up for Pretty Girl Bangles text message alerts. So every time I send out a message, I can choose to send it to all 5,000. I can choose to send it to the first half, the second half. Postscript marketing allows you to customize your text messages down to the nitty gritty. I also can send it to just people that live in Illinois. I can send it to just people who live in Florida or people who just live in Georgia. So I literally can customize my experience on Postscript marketing. And obviously I definitely love that feature, because sometimes I will have special offers that I want to just offer my returning customers or just offer my new customers, things like that. So I love the fact that Postscript marketing allowed me to do this. I'm going to try to include some screen records so you all can have some visuals as well as while I'm talking. So overall, for the most part, I just use the simple all of my subscribers, which is about 5,000, or sometimes I do my first 50% or my second 50%, and I try to judge to see which group of people shop the most. So on Shopify, I have group one, not Shopify, my Postscript marketing, I have group one, I have group two. Sometimes I just send out text messages to group one and see how they perform. Other times I send out messages just to group two, see how that perform. And then when it's like a huge blowout sale, I send it to all 5,000 of my people. So I will say you have to buy credits though. So when you are signing up for Postscripts, they're going to give you a basic plan, and you're going to choose as many credits as you want and can afford. So right now, I think I'm on like the $100 plan, which is about 10,000 credits. So you might think 10,000 credits is a lot, but in reality, it's not. So every subscriber is one credit. So like I just told you, my text message list right now is 5,000 girls. So it's like I only purchased, if, for example, for the month of September, I only want to spend $100. I don't want to spend too much money. I'm trying to save all of my big money until Black Friday. So for example, this month I only paid for 10,000 credits. So hypothetically speaking, that is only 2 text messages this month if I want to send it to all 5,000 of my people, because I only have enough credits to send out 10,000 messages and I have 5,000 subscribers. So I hope I'm making sense. So the bigger your list gets, the more expensive it's going to get. You can get up to 2 million, I think, credits for like $100,000. I don't know, but it gets expensive. So what I like to do is I like to split my text message group up, like I said, and just send out 50% at a time. So when I just have like a little flash sale, I'll send it to group one, and then like the next flash sale, I'll send it to just group two. But to caveat this, I also sometimes, not all the times, if it's just like a general sale, I still will send out a text message, but I will still post on my social media, so that way I can kind of get as many people as I want. But when I want an exclusive only, like VIP only discount code, I only send it to my text message crew, and I don't say a word about it on my social media. So that is the point of getting people to sign up for your text message list. You want them to feel like they're getting something extra that the regular subscribers, like the regular viewers and followers, are not getting. So that's going to take me to my next group. My next topic is how to get people to actually sign up for your text message club. So now that I explained a little bit about email marketing, text message marketing, now I'm going to give y'all a few tips and tricks on how to get people to actually sign up for your text message group. So you might say, okay, Tay, I've downloaded a text message app, I've integrated it into my website. How do I get people to sign up? So this is, to me, a very, very easy thing to do. So all you're going to do is you're going to have a pop-up. Most likely the app that you're going to use or the download that you're going to use is going to offer a pop-up. So if you go to myprettygirlbangles.com, you would naturally see get 10% off if you put your phone number in. Literally almost every person who shops my website uses that 10%. I don't know. People just enjoy the 10% a whole lot, okay? Sorry, my camera cut off. So like I was saying, people naturally is going to get any discount they can get. If you offer a 10%, 15%, or free shipping for your phone number, people are going to definitely sign up for it. So that's the easy way, just to use the regular pop-up that's going to pop up on the screen as new customers arrive to your website. The other way that I was able to accumulate a lot of signups was when I first sent out my first round of text messages. I think I had just naturally waited until I had about at least 50 just regular customers to subscribe to my text message list. And then I sent them out a discount code. I screenshotted it and posted it on my story and was like, did you get your text message, yes or no? So a lot of people was clicking no naturally. So then the next slide over, I was like, okay, sign up for text messages by texting the words join pretty to whatever the phone number was. And from that, guys, I literally got about at least 500 signups because people was like, hold on, wait, you sent out a discount code to a certain amount of people and I didn't get a discount code. Let me go sign up so I can get a discount code the next time. And so naturally, I was doing that more and more and more. As of now, I don't do as much because I just get natural signups as people enter my website. But to get my first 1,000 people, I was just sending out text messages and posting my story. Did you get it? Everybody was saying no. The next slide would be like, okay, sign up. Now send another text message. Did you get it? So I was kind of doing that for about a month or so, and I was able to get literally 1,000 signups within like the first month of me actually using the Postscript SMS marketing. Again, this will definitely work for any of you guys' business. It don't matter how many followers you have or don't have. People are going to sign up for your list. So honestly, if you only have 5,000 followers and people watch your story, people are going to sign up for the list because they want to get the discount codes. They want to feel like VIP. And you got to make them feel like VIP and make them feel important. Because other than that, they're going to be like, oh, I just can wait on you to just post on your story. I know that you're going to post it. Again, like I said, not every sale I post or not every discount I send out, I post. Or sometimes what I do is after the discount was over, I would DM tease it on my story and was like, OMG, 50 people, was able to use this discount code or whatever. Sign up for text message so you won't miss the next one. Things like that. So just try to figure out like smart teases to do to get people to sign up. Again, you don't want to beg people to sign up or force people to sign up, but you want to just kind of give them an incentive on signing up. So now what I'm going to start doing, and maybe around November 1st-ish, I'm going to start advertising my text message club again and be like, sign up for text messages to get early access to the website for Black Friday. So that's going to be my next incentive. Everyone who signs up for my text message list between now and Black Friday will get text will get text an access code, and they will be able to shop for Black Friday an hour before everybody else. So overall, I personally feel as if text message marketing is way more effective. Like if you send a text message with a discount code, a new arrival, or anything like that to somebody's phone, they're going to look at that text message immediately. If you email them, most likely they're going to probably check their email 1 or 2 times a day. And to be honest, it's so many spam emails and so many people getting emails from other things that your email most likely will get lost basically in the sauce. Also too, I'm finding that like a lot of my emails that I do send out end up going to like the junk mail or the spam mail. People don't even check their junk or spam. So people are missing your emails. So the moral of this video is definitely check out text message marketing. Is it more expensive? Yes. But is it worth it? Yes. All of my text messages produce at least 5 to 10 sales every time I send out a text message with a discount code or like a secret VIP code or anything like that. I at least get 5 to 10 orders. Now, am I saying that every time you send a text message it's going to work? No. But for the most part, if you send at least 1 or 2 text messages a month, it's definitely going to work. And my last thing about this is, though, I definitely say use text messages to your advantage, but don't overdo it. One thing I can say is I am not signed up for Fashion Nova's text messages at all because I heard they send text messages all day long. Personally, I think that's overdoing it. 2, I think sending a text message once a week, 1 is expensive and 2 is overdoing it. I personally feel like 2 text messages a month is really good, or at least once every 21 days ish, maybe it's actually good. For me personally, I try to send out at least 1 or 2 text messages a month. That is just kind of my cap, because I don't want to oversell myself and then my customers get turned off and get annoyed and then they unsubscribe. Because what you don't want is people unsubscribing to your text message, because now your list is going from 5,000 all the way down to 4,000, 3,000, and now you're not, growing like you want. So definitely keep sending your text messages to a minimum of about 1 to 2 times a month. I find that most effective. And then obviously around the holidays or Black Friday, probably 3 times or twice in 1 week for Black Friday. But that's obviously a once a year type of thing. But as far as my regular ethics, I literally just etiquette. My regular etiquette is sending at least 1 text or 2 texts a month. So I hope this video was informational for you all. I hope this video was educational. If you learned something new, or you learned something that you did not know, or you're gonna use any of the tips and tricks that I use, drop me down a purple heart just to let me know that you made it to the end of this video and you're actually listening to what I'm saying. So definitely drop a purple heart down below, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.